Right, just one more quick video of the mere embryo or the start of a complete plan set for a brand new house. This is a work in progress and is currently with a structural engineer, but thought it may be of some interest. So this is an A1 plan set, page 1, foundation plans. Can't remember what I built in 3D here, but we'll have a quick look. Come on. Oh, not a lot to see there. There's your foundations anyway. Lovely, lovely stuff. Get rid of that. Page 2, bison floor, section details for venting, etc. and layout. We'll open that, and I'm actually going to open that on the foundation floor, I think. Give you a good view of the structure. There's your bison floor. I think there's actually one block in there, but that's basically the gist of it, and then we'll have it insulation and screed floor over, but that's your basic floor layout. Get rid of that. Page 3 is our drainage layout and our soil vent pipe layouts to first floor, and we should have those for second floor as well. I don't know why, but English say ground first and second, where Americans are far more logical and say first, second and third, but anyway, I digress. This is a drawing specifically designed for the engineer. It's not actually relevant to this plan set, it's just to tell him what I want, but the next drawing is largely the same. So I'm going to go to this, open this in 3D, and this is really how I like to convey information to engineers. This is really what I want, and I can send this courtesy of Chief Architect as a 3D model. I can load it up to their cloud, and they've got a special viewer for other professionals and clients alike to use. And I'll try and keep the clients away from it, to be honest, because they can be a menace. Not a bit rude, but it's true. Well, let's just open that object, because I believe that's a hidden wall. Open. Layer 1, hidden wall 2. Let's hide that, and you can see what's going on there. So we've actually got a goalpost frame in there. Fairly big loading on there, which will be on some pad foundations. I've got a feeling this is a hidden wall as well. Let's open it and see what happens. Layer. Well, it's an attic wall, but if I get rid of that, you'll be able to see we've got a steel frame for the cathedral windows there. But as you can see, all the steels, all the beams are marked up, everything. This is real key information. We've got I took a long time to design this property, and you can see we've got good wall alignment in certain strategic places, so our steel spans aren't overspanned, and yet we've still got some really big rooms. I think this is our biggest span here. Onto the goalpost frame, onto some big pads. So this can all be engineered because it's new work. Be a lot harder on an extension, as us UK users say, if we do have any American viewers. An addition. The roof is being designed by the engineer, but again I've made sure we've got a load bearing wall that aligns through the entire building here, and I've drawn it up to the ridge just to illustrate that that's exactly what it is, but it will probably be just posts going up to the ridge, and we can facilitate a ridge beam through there if we can. So although the roof looks complicated, and it needed to be fairly complicated to pay homage to what was there originally, that was a planning stipulation, it's a large house, but it's not as complicated as it looks, so we kind of get the best of both worlds here. It was a long time on the design table and quite a lot of negotiation with planning, but this particular model with all the decorative layers stripped away, removed. There's no windows, no doors, no plaster, no ceiling cover. It's literally, you can twist this around, see the layers, see what we're trying to achieve, see what can be load bearing, see what doesn't need to be load bearing, see what can just be a boring old stud wall, see how the stairs work, see where the stair trimmers go. This, coupled with the black and white plans, is just a huge time saver, and I'm a huge advocate of BIM. I think it's the way forwards. Certainly in the age of the internet, I can work with people that I've never actually met and convey really useful, accurate information. And so I just thought I'd add this to today's video upload as general interest. So I'm just going to give it a random spin around very slowly, and then I'll sign off for the day. And I really dearly hope you'll tune in for my intensive tutorials for this software, which I'm going to carefully plan into different segments, starting from basic defaults right the way through to decorative and structural BIM models, stunning elevations, stunning plan views, the whole caboodle, street scenes, the whole lot. I really hope you stick with me on this. I'm quite excited about this, and I can only apologise for the time it takes. I do keep very busy. I'm very lucky to say. With all this Brexit nonsense, I don't know if it'll last or not, but that's another topic for another day. But yeah, there's a lovely view, and of course we can add foundation layers to this as well, and gives us a great opportunity to cut sections through as well. So if I cut a section through there, you know, I can strip away all this fancy stuff and just show the carcass of the building, and half of my work is done. You know, I just need to alter what needs to be altered, and away we go. Really, I like to convert this into CAD objects actually, which is where I then work line by line. So CAD detail from view. And what I generally do, I select the whole thing, open it up, if it ever opens. Very slow because I'm recording as well, but I'm on 8 minutes 20, so I've only got 2 minutes. But I would change the colour of that to grey. Okay. And then I would just draw in the absolute key components. And you know what, I actually leave some furniture in very greyed out, because psychologically it actually gives everybody that general common purpose that we're all aiming for something you can live in, because 2/3 of the way through the projects it can get everybody down a little bit, and just to see a tiny bit of furniture greyed out against a building carcass can actually offer a little bit of sublime encouragement, or that's one of my theories anyway. But anyway, I just thought that might be of some interest. So thanks for watching, and I really hope I can generate some interest for the forthcoming tutorials that will be considerably more planned than what I'm presenting at the moment. I'm really going to work out a complete index schedule, work out exactly what I'm doing, edit everything properly, etc. Thank you.